I'm inside of Apollo and I have people selected. And first, I want to do the highest level filtering that I can. So I'm going to do location. Again, just for giggles, Denmark. Now I want to make sure that I'm using my own industry filters, the ones that I want to make sure that I'm including. I don't think the industry keywords that are usually the LinkedIn industry filters are the best ones to use. I'm using the keyword filters, blockchain. Great. Now I have this list. It's not bad. And I now want to make sure that I am filtering even further by the larger management types of people. So the next thing that I want to do is go into job titles. Then I want to make sure that I am selecting the management level. And if you do not have include people with similar titles, then go ahead and check that box. Management level. And the first group that I'm going to create is owner, founder, C-suite, partner. And this is always kind of an up in the air kind of one. So VP, why not? Next, I want to filter out certain departments. So if I am a marketer, I'm reaching out to the C-level people, maybe product people, and potentially other marketers. I don't know. Let's see. Great. I have significantly narrowed the people that I'm reaching out to. Maybe I add operations in there or even sales just for fun in order to create a larger pool of people to choose from. Good. This works for me. Now I want to be able to save this list or I want to further narrow. So if I just want to save this search so I can instantly come back to it, that is saving as a persona. The persona is a name for the different search filters that you've put in, but it is not a usable list. So I could name this list whatever I wanted, which would be blockchain, DK, management slash C level. And I could save that persona. Now, bear in mind, I might want to be able to come back to this very quickly. It saves me time. Bear in mind, I'm not going to be able to do outreach to all those people at once. So if I love this list and I want to build this as my outreach list, then I need to save them individually. So I can either save them one page at a time, do the scraper tool, or go through and individually save them by checking each box. Just depends on what you want to do. So I will show the first way, which is manually going through and looking at the ones that I think are the most relevant. I will then click Add to List and create a new list. I've saved it with a similar naming structure that I know I will continuously reuse, but it's up to you as to how you want to name and structure everything. And I will hit Update. You'll see that it's already giving me the email addresses as soon as I add people to the list. This is why we consider potentially not immediately saving people to a list. I'm continuing to manually add people to my list. You do get warnings from time to time when you are selecting more than what the freemium version immediately allows you to do. We have workarounds like using Instant Data Scraper. I'm doing this the old-fashioned way just so you can see what that looks like. You can see that I've hit add to list and I am continuing to add new people to my list so that I will eventually be able to run outreach to them.